Right, buddies? How are you? Keeping fine? Yes, I am fine. Thank you. How are you? Yes, I am okay. Look, who's here? You are the letter B. Yes, I am letter B. Wow! B, B, B. B, B, B. Now we know A. Yes, you can learn B. I'm letter B. I like to you. I love to you. You are like a jungle queens. You sing this crown with coconut tea. See? Ha 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 ha. Thank you. Are you happy? Yes, we are happy. I'm letter B. Letter B. B is ball. B is bat. B is a balloon. B is a bottle. B is a boat. We know butterfly with number one. It's for starting B. Yes, butterfly. Bangle. B, B, B. B, B, B. Ah, wow. B, B, B. B, B, B. B, 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 B. Ah, right buddies also starting B. Right B. Buddies B. Wow. See, I have a ball. Yes, I have bat. One ball, one bat. One ball, one bat. B, B, B. What's the ball? B is fun for one and all. B, B, B. What's the ball? B is fun for one and all. B is for banana. Yummy and yellow fruits. B, B, banana, bright and sweet. The best banana we love to eat. B, B, banana, bright and sweet. Can you say bush sound? Bush, 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 bush. I found a button. Yeah, look, a bird in the tree. B is for book. B is for bees. B is for butterfly. B is the best. Can't you see? B is a bird. Say it with me. B, 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 B. Down, bump, bump. That's how we. Let's remember what we saw with B today. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for bird. B is for banana. B is for boat. Balloon. bangle. B is for bottle. B is for butterfly. B is for bee. B is for ball. B is for bee. B is everywhere. B is for ball. B is for bees. B is everywhere. We learn letter B. We sang, we danced. Say bye bye. See you soon. We learn more letters. Maybe next is C. Right, buddies. Let's make a paper boat. Orange Cat and the kids are making something fun using old papers. Look, I found some old paper. Meow. Let's recycle. Use clean old paper. Don't throw it away. Use clean old paper. I want to color my boat after. Let's make boat with our imagination. Step 1. Fold your paper in half, just like this. Look, it's like a hat. Great job. Now fold the corners to make a triangle. Fold the bottom part up, one side then the other. Wow, it changed shape. Now open it and squeeze. It becomes square. Ah. Now pull it and Taba, you make the boat. My boat has flowers. Add your own special design to make your boat beautiful. Look at them float. Great job, little sailors. Reduce, reuse, recycle, create. Flood and flood, just like that. Turn old paper into a hat. Flood again and take a look. We made a boat that floats in a brook. Reduce, reuse, create and play. That's the happy we can play. Reduce, reuse, create and play. That's the happy we can play. Reuse, reduce all papers. Now I made a boat with you. Nature help us every day. Now it's time to laugh and play. Reuse, reduce all papers. Now I made a boat with you. Nature helps us every day. Now it's time to laugh and play. Thank you. Bye bye.